You check your bank account again. You replay that last purchase you made online again. You second guess your savings, your job, your entire life plan again. If you're constantly overthinking money, you're not broken. You're normal. But you can feel better because today I'm going to show you with psychology one simple 3-minute tool that I use with clients all the time that can help you. Let's define it. Financial overthinking is that loop in your brain that says, did I spend too much? Am I saving enough? What happens if I lose my job? What happens if I never get ahead in my job? It can feel like problem solving to you, but it's actually mental spinning, you could say. Now, this kind of worry isn't helping your plan. It's kind of, you could say, keeping you stuck. So, why does it happen? Because money represents security, freedom, and survival. So, your brain goes into, you could say, this threat mode when it feels unsure, even if you're financially stable. Here's what I recommend, and you can start it today. It's called the Calm Clarity Reset. Step one, write it. So spend about 60 seconds and write down the exact thought that is looping through your head. For example, I'm scared I won't have enough for retirement. I think I blew it by investing on that stock that now has gone down significantly. Getting it out of your head and onto paper reduces this emotional overload, you could say. Step two, name the emotion. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Is it anxiety, shame, helplessness, guilt? Name it. Now that activates the brain's prefrontal cortex. Now that part of the brain helps you think logically. Step three, challenge the thought. Ask these three questions. Is this thought 100% true? What evidence do I have against this thought? What would I say to a friend who also had the same worry? Now, reframe everything. I made a decision with the information I had. Does that mean I've ruined my future, my life? So, this step gives you distance, and you could say more control of your thoughts. Use a money anchor. Now, this is a phrase you use when you kind of feel that looping in your mind, that kind of replaying of these thoughts again and again. For example, I have a plan and I'm adjusting as I go. I don't need all the answers today. My future is built basically one day at a time. Say it, breathe, move on. If you're dealing with money stress, you're not alone and you're not failing. You're just human. Try this calm clarity reset. It's short, it's doable, and it works. Please share in the comments any thoughts in your mind that could be looping about money. And if you like this content, please subscribe for more and like the video if you enjoyed it. Till the next time, take care.